First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the detailed analysis of SBI PO prelims of 3:30 p.m. shift. It is a self-given exam analysis. I have given the examination. Here is the answers for the quant and reasoning that I have attempted. Let's see what are the total attempts that I have given. For English, I have attempted 31. For quant, I have only attempted 10 questions. It is very difficult to attempt more questions in quant. But in reasoning, I attempted 25 questions out of 30. So, let's see what are the answers that for quant and reasoning I have attempted. Okay. In quant, first we see milk and water type arithmetic questions. Milk and water type arithmetic question. The answer we got is 69. So 69 is the answer for that one. Next one, we see a problems on trains. The answer for that one I got is 30. And later we see the concept of mensurations. From mensurations, it is asked about the actual side of the cube. We got 24. Okay. And a question on simple interest and compound interest. We need to find the value of the rate, R value. We got a value of 10 is the answer for that one. Next one, a problem on ages and asked about the C age. C age will be 20. So this is the answer for that one. Next one, a person's salary is split in different types. It is examples given as some 30% is invested in some in loan or some on shopping and some on transporting, that type question. The answer I got is 400. 400 or 4000. 4000 is our answer. Okay. Next, one more question is asked from boats and streams. From boats and streams, it is asked what is the downstream speed. Downstream speed means m plus s. M plus s value we got is 10. So answer will be 10. Okay. Next one. So these are the arithmetic questions that I have attempted. I have attempted 7 arithmetic questions, and there are 3 approximation questions that are given in a quant section, and there are also given 3 data interpretations which are high complicated, having variables of x, y and z type. So I just see the question and then I prefer to skip them. I prefer to skip those questions, and I went with the arithmetic questions. In arithmetic questions, I have attempted 7 questions and 3 approximation questions are given. And there are 2 to 3 arithmetic questions which are not doable. So this is the attempt of my quant, and these are the answers. Next, we are going to see the details of reasoning. We see a coding and decoding, and this is the answer for that one. S becomes U, L becomes J, I becomes G, M becomes O, E becomes C. So this is the answer. UJGOC. Next one, there are 9 people sitting in a circular. All are facing the center. The sequence I got in a anti-clockwise direction. This is so the sequence I got is like this one: D, A, J, that is B, I think, B, G, H, E, F and C. All are facing inside, and this is the answer I got. Okay. Next one, there are how many people are this? 8 people. 8 people are sitting in a line, and they are facing north and south directions, and this is what I got. So what we have is N facing north, S facing south, O facing north, Q facing south, M facing north, R facing north, T facing south, P facing north is the answer for that one. So this is what I got as a solution for that one. Next question, it is given about designations. Designation based question. I got this is the sequence: T, S, X, W, Q, P, U, R and V. This is the sequence I got. Okay. So these are the three puzzles I have solved. For three puzzles, 5 times 15 questions, and this one coding and decoding question, and there is 5 to 6 inequality questions are given. Inequalities. Okay. And here is one more puzzle. This puzzle is given about there are 7 boxes placed in a stack, and each box contains a color. So let's see the answers. What I got is F on the top, and it is yellow color. Next one, A green color, C indigo color. Next one, D orange. Next one is B is violet. Next one, G, which is blue color, and the last one is E refers to red. So this is the solution I got. Okay. So totally there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 5 times 20 questions of puzzles I have completed, and this is one coding and decoding, and approximately there are 4 to 5 inequality questions. Inequalities are given from reasoning. Okay. Next, now we are going to see the topic of English. In English, we see I attempted 31 questions. Okay. We see some statements are given. In some sentences, we see some bold words, and it is represented as A, B and C. We need to arrange them in a sequence. It is first we see in our exam, it is approximately given 5 to 6 questions are given on this type. Okay. Next, I see a fillers. A para is given. In that para there are some fillers of options A, B and C type options are given in the para, and we need to write a word which is suitable at that places that is given. And I mean this is cloze test. I think we called the topic called cloze test. Next, I see there are 2 blanks fillers is given in a statement. There we see fillers of 5 questions or 4 to 5 questions we see. Okay. Next, there is an RC of 7 questions and error detection questions. Wait a second. Error detection questions approximately 6 to 7 questions are given. Okay, so this is the overall exam analysis of 4th August 3:30 p.m. shift, and my overall attempt is 66. Please try to comment your attempt of this exam, and let's discuss about the cutoff, expected cutoff. The expected cutoff must be nearly 55 to, in between 55 to 63. This is the expected cutoff of this exam. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks for watching.